Hi. Careful, careful. It's cold, it's raining, and it's beautiful out here. Perfect day for a walk. Lucas is loving it. This is the first time we've gone outside with his balance bike, finally. Long overdue. It's been like 2 weeks. So, he's having a great time. Inside we had to leave Sugar City last week. It's good to be settled again, be where our bed is. So, I mean, we'll see him at Christmas. It's not too much time, so that'll be good. Lucas! Hi! Look how good you're holding that crayon.
A.
Did you write an A? I kind of see it, honestly.
D. D.
Lucas, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue? Is that blue? Look at all those pretty colors. Good job. Ooh, hot.
Oh, hot. Too hot. Oh, hot.
Yeah, it's hot, huh? Are you gonna want to eat those when they're done, though? I'm making cornbread to go with our soup. White chicken chili. Berkeley's watching the Magic School Bus, his favorite show. I did not expect to find you with that. We're all so excited about Grandma's birthday present to Lucas. She put all of his favorite people in a magnet. And now he can see them whenever he wants, huh? And he knows each one of them. Super fun. Thanks, Mom. I'm not kidding, guys. He's just sitting here watching the Magic School Bus. Don't you want to turn on like Stranger Things or something? That's something we've been having fun doing though. We've been rewatching Stranger Things before the new season comes out next week and I'm so excited. It's like the best show. It's definitely like top 3 favorite shows next to Game of Thrones and I don't know. It's been a blah day. I've been sick. Lucas too. I think we both got a cold and we've been laying low this week for the most part. It's nice to have a relaxing Friday night. We were planning on going to the pumpkin patch today, but since we weren't feeling well and the weather wasn't feeling well apparently, the wind and the rain, we decided to go either tomorrow or Monday, depending on how the weather is tomorrow and if Berkeley doesn't want to be a party pooper. So we'll see how that goes. He's not even fazed by it. I'm talking about him behind his back and he doesn't even care.
I can hear you.
I know. You're not even affected at all by what I'm saying.
That's your move.
Okay, he came to his senses. Phew. Now we're gonna eat soup and watch Stranger Things.
She
Woohoo!
was making fun of me.
He gets into peer pressure very easily, ladies and
What do
gentlemen.
you want from me?
It's always a good day when Skyrim is pulled out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Saturday afternoon, Berkeley came home from school early because I asked him to. And Lucas is obsessed.
He really likes me recently.
I think he just likes Skyrim.
How can you not?
Do you like
It's
Skyrim?
frightening.
Do you like this game?
What are we getting ourselves into?
Oh, okay, sorry. I'm in your face.
That's no.
Lucas, what are we getting ourselves into here? This looks sinister. We're getting out of the house. In the rain. It's raining. Wet. Lucas, is it wet?
Another attempt to go to the pumpkin patch is ruined. I guess we can go to the local Goodwill instead to find the finishing touches for Lucas's Halloween costume. Have I recorded how pretty the fall colors are down this street? I can't remember if I did. No. Oh, did I miss some of it?
Get this many colors in the spring.
Yeah, you do. You just have to find the right
Yeah,
spots. You see my grandpa's tree? It's awesome. I want that tree in our yard when we have a yard.
Grandpa, do you think I could just quick rip up this tree and drag it away? Stick it in my yard.
I think that would kill it.
People do that too.
Yeah.
You never seen a truck drive by and it looks like it's got a giant like cone on the back of it? Big metal cone.
Good evening, Miller's daughter. Why are you crying?
Said the girl.
What will you give me if I spin all of it for you?
The little man took the necklace. and with 3 spins of the spinning wheel, whir, he had spun all the straw into gold.
We just got back from the Ward fundraiser and decided to get back into Skyrim. And Lucas is loving this.
Oh, Bethesda, what will you come up with next?
Oh, Bethesda. We'll keep you updated on our exciting lives, and see you later. I love this game.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
It's like 6 years old and it's still fantastic.
Yeah.
Who did they find to write these stories? I just came upon this house and it turned into like half hour, 45 minutes of this tragic story. Terrifying story, actually. Very interesting.
Get the fox, get it.
Ah, I haven't discovered that cave. Because I'm too far away from it.
Just hurry up, okay? Because I want to play now. He's smiling. Am I taking a picture? It's okay. Lucas, did you see a Falmer? Was he scary?
We're back in the ruins. Oh, I'm majestic. Oh, the dagger of devouring. It's useless to me.
It's useless.
Oh, Lucas, you're really hurting my leg. I can take it.
Wait, Lucas, what's this? You say good night. Say night night. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good night. Bye.